Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: your Amazon Flex account, phone, and ID. Install the bot and grant required permissions so it can monitor offers in real time. Once done, open Settings and enter your preferred zones, schedule windows, and payout method. This guides the bot's filters. Make sure your device won't sleep. Set battery optimization off. Finally, authenticate any two-step prompts. The bot needs continuous access to scan and claim blocks immediately. You now configure the bot's decision logic and test it. Start with conservative filters: minimum payout, distance cap, and block duration to match your real availability. Enable auto-claim but keep a short human-confirmed delay so you can cancel false positives. This balances speed versus safety. Then run a live test during a slow period to monitor behavior and logs. Make incremental adjustments. Watch for throttling or captcha. You finish by syncing successful claims to your calendar and navigation app so you're ready to drive. Make sure notifications and confirmations are working. Run one full end-to-end claim to confirm. If problems occur, like being blocked or captchas, stop automated requests, rotate credentials, clear app data, and wait before resuming at a lower rate. Keep a backup device and plan to check offers manually when the bot hits limits so you never miss a shift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.